In 1910, the ingenious Pedro Careaga based his pistol on the FN 1903 and 1906 models, and with the machinery that the Eibares gunsmith system had, he built in 1911 the Vitoria, and the production started in September 1912. That year, the company had 16 workers and 8 apprentices. Between 1911 and 1913, numerous Vitoria pistols were manufactured, a weapon that, due to its great quality, despite a higher price than the other Spanish competitors, was a sales success even when the arms sector was in great recession. It also had a special feature patented by Juan Esperanza, a loaded chamber indicator named Hope, Esperanza, in Spanish. In 1913, the company already had 120 workers. Esperanza y Uncita patented the Astra brand in 1914 and renamed the Vitoria model as Astra Modelo 1911. It was Edward Schilling's company that was responsible for the exclusive marketing of Vitoria to Spain and Portugal. Tita and Edler do the same to the Belgian and Austrian market. But it was the Vitoria trademark itself the source of some discussions between the manufacturers and the traders from Barcelona. At the beginning of the business, Juan Esperanza and Pedro Uncita, while negotiating their agreement with Edward Schilling, wondered what should be the brand of their new pistols, and Schilling, among others, suggested Vitoria. The manufacturers liked it and agreed to use that brand for their pistols. Later, when they tried to register it, they found that the trademark was property of Edward Schilling since a few years ago. Even though they tried to recover the trademark, Schilling refused to do it and asked for an exclusive use of the brand in Europe. As a result, Juan Esperanza and Pedro Uncita decided to use another brand for their products since they did not want to promote a brand that was not theirs. They chose Astra, the brand which will name almost all the products manufactured by the company for the rest of its life. Vitorias were made in 25 auto and 32 auto with hammer or hammerless. It was made with other brands like Mushi, Scott, and Brunswick. Despite having lanyard ring, it was a commercial model made for the civilian market. Over 50,000 had been made at Eibares, was continued at Guernica, along with the newly developed military type Campo Gyro, designed by Don Pedro Careaga Garza, and the first pistol produced by company Esperanza y Uncita, founded by Juan Esperanza Salvador and Juan Pedro Uncita Barranquilla y Sandoya.